is DATIVA Nwashaba from Uganda Red Cross Society Entebbe branch. My idea is about using OpenStreetMap tools to increase reporting cases related to gender-based violence in our communities. When COVID came in, the rate of gender-based violence increased in our communities, more especially in home, according to the report that was released by police in 2021. 23% rate was increased. I want to help the GBV victims to learn how to use the safer navigation tools of OSM to report cases to different stakeholders. The major goal of this project is to use OSM navigation tools to fight against gender-based violence in our communities. Over the previous month, I was able to have interviews with the local council leaders to discuss about the rate of gender-based violence in our communities. Our discussion majorly was on forms of gender-based violence, causes, and how they have managed to solve the cases in their societies, challenges they are facing during the case follow-up, and what should be done. We were able also to engage some police officers on the Office of Family and Child Protection, where we managed also to get information about the forms of GBV that are reported. I have trained our youth on how to use Open Data Kit in a data correction. I also trained the youth on how to use the navigation tools such that they can add points of interest on the OpenStreetMap, such as hospital, police station, and these points are majorly for responding and help to the GBV victims. Also, we've engaged stakeholders like community members, also Entebbe Municipal Council, GBV victims, police, health centers, and churches, and we shall as well be working with them as our major stakeholder. From our findings, the major forms of GBV in our communities are domestic violence, sexual gender-based violence, and others followed according to the survey we made in our questionnaires. So, as I would like to train our stakeholders on how to adopt the use of OpenStreetMap tools in responding to gender-based violence, and also carry out sensitization and awareness to public about human rights. Make them use of free toll number that was given by the government, that is 0800 199 195 for reporting. We shall also provide psychosocial support to clients or victims of gender-based violence, and also make referrals to different service providers basing on the victim's needs. Also, we need to carry out remote mapping by adding all the houses and roads on OpenStreetMap, and also carry out validation such that we upload the clean data. That is, if at all I get more funding. The overall impact of my project is zero domestic violence, and also increase reporting mode of domestic violence cases to different stakeholders, that is police and the government, by both men and women in our communities.